Welcome back. This is Haunter POV Episode 6. A lot of this content is more interactions with customers. There are scares and chase scenes and whatnot, but there is a little bit more interaction. At about 10:30, 11, I've kind of been doing this towards the end of the season as it's progressed. I'll take my prosthetic teeth out and just talk shit to everyone, within reason, of course. So, that being said, I hope you enjoy Episode 6.
That's some crazy makeup.
That's cool though.
That's pretty cool.
Wait, what do you do? What does it say? Whoa, don't you touch me! Don't you touch me! Oh wait, I do like your makeup. No, that's fine. His teeth too.
Can you clean my ears now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice, isn't it?
yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Why are you back?
From the line! Come back! I have your hat! I have your hat! There you go.
Ew. Wait. Go ahead.
Uncle.
I'm in there. Oh, is that a, do you know where you're supposed to go? Wait, the fuck is that up there?
Nope, I don't do this.
Give him a hug!
No!
He's longing for love!
Let him have.
Can you do that, Doug? They're like, can you do that, Doug?
Hey, the line's moving, buddy. Come on, pay attention. There we go. Hey, guess what?
What?
I did not graduate high school, can you tell?
No.
That took a long time to answer. That's really mean. I forgive you though. Not really, I don't know.
I didn't graduate either.
Got my GED because I'm an
Oh,
overachiever.
I didn't do that either.
Oh, see?
Underachiever.
She has rollers on in her hair. Are those real piercings?
Grab them.
No,
Why?
because I don't want to hurt you.
I don't.
Excuse me, at the show, there was a staple out.
No, not out. You can pull it though. I don't care.
Is it actually in you?
Well, that's why I'm letting you do that.
Oh.
To figure that out. It's like a mystery.
Gentle though, like, oh my god.
Ah,
No.
I'm just kidding.
Stop it.
Do it.
I can. Look at my impression. Look at my impression of the girl from the ring.
That's very good.
Thank you.
That's very good.
I got it. I got it.
So aggressive.
I'm not scared of you. What do you want? We've already been through so much. Please, we've been through so much.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry. Please.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. There you
That's
go.
what my Nana does. Thank you.
Yeah, bless you. You're welcome. The chips off the ground that you find?
Oh yeah, all the time.
What kind are they?
Fritos.
See, that's how I know you're lying.
There's Fritos here all the time.
That's not the chips I'm talking about.
Oh. Oh.
We used to paint everything here in lead, so I just pick them up, just eat them.
That must be pretty good for you, huh?
I don't know, probably not.
Nah, I've seen it before. You seen it.
Hey, no, he didn't tell you? He didn't tell you? He left the car unlocked, so after y'all finish, I'm gonna be in the back.
I'll give you the keys when you go find that.
Mom, he's not that scary. He's nice.
Look, give him the book. It's fun.
Okay.
Record it. Press record.
Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, la 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 la.
I'm pretty sure
Why the fuck are we down here?
No, it's at the front. I bet that. But like, yeah.
Look at me. Look at me.
Hey, do a trick. Do a trick. Do some bullshit.
Try not to run in and out. Do you
No, it's not.
want to sing my Be Real?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Please? Pretty please?
No.
Pretty?
Let me think about it.
Pretty please? You sing my Be Real?
Trust me, I live with them.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Wait,
Oh, you ain't taking that.
You want me to call him over?
Are you really Bob?
Probably.
Let me see your nail. Oh, honey, yes.
Ooh, yeah.
Giving the girls Uncle Clifford print.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are those real? Like it was like next to Are those real piercings?
No, it's on the mask.
Any of them get you?
Oh.
I thought for some reason I thought that was his face. I thought
It is my face.
No, I was
Yes.
being for real. So they got you.
I'm being for real.
Do it again?
No.
Okay.
You do it.
I can't. I don't
Yeah,
have
you
piercings.
can. Go ahead.
I don't have piercings.
No, on me.
Oh, I don't want to do
Do it. I'm giving you permission.
Do it, Abby.
No, we can't
Do it.
touch him.
Yes, you can.
Oh,
I'm
no.
telling you.
Yeah, they told us we
Yeah,
can't.
no.
I'm gonna make you do it.
Come on, Abby.
I'm gonna tell you a secret. I have a secret to tell you. Hey.
Oh, what the?
Hey, it's like little Uzi with all the fish.
Hey,
that person hurt.
Oh! I should not have swallowed that.
Ooh, you're gorgeous.
Dang.
Let me take a picture of that food. Hi. Hi. Queen. Queen. Look at that. Queen. Hey, where's your group?
This is way too much.
It was so funny. He literally started doing the vlog.
Yes,
The
you
more you
can.
react, the more you react. I can't. Oh, it's good, man.
It's okay. I'm clean. I want to clean your hair. Clean your hair.
I can take a picture with you?
Yes.
Oh, I remember now. This is cocky.
Hey. Oh my God, it's a stripper.
Where?
Right there.
Stop it.
We need a picture.
The claw. The claw. The claw.
Can we take a picture with you?
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
I want to see. Skin's not even real. She like doesn't help. What'd she say?
Worse.
Worse. Did you look at it? Did you look at it?
Oh, I looked at it. I looked at it.
He's like, oh, I have to go home.
What?
I fuck with this one though.
Man.
You sexy as fuck.
Thank
No, you wanna take a picture?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like, this is my new man.
Why is she run? What? I didn't even do anything.
She was trying to save my life.
Oh, okay.
I'm real dark.
Oh yeah, I got you.
No! We can be friends! We can be friends! Shoot!
I'm sorry. Why am I apologizing to the silly actor? No!
Would you like to eat some tuna fish? Would you like some tuna fish? I have tuna fish for you. Would you like some? Would you like some tuna fish? You sure? It's so good though. I made it fresh.
Hope you enjoyed Hunter POV episode 6. Tell me your favorite clip out of all those, your favorite moment. I will have another episode for you within the week. See you next time.